Wednesday today and I'm actually off work, which I'm so happy about. They asked me if I was going to work today and I was like, I'd actually like to be free today, just because today I'm actually getting my shit together and I'm filming like 3 different videos, which is really exciting. It's also a little bit much to do in like one day. But right now it's time for my Junkyard haul segment. I love doing collaborations with Junkyard because like Junkyard it came to the point where it's 90% of what I wear now, so there's that. Thank you, Junkyard. Also, my computer is all decked out with Junkyard stickers and I'm kind of in love with it. I need to get myself a new case for my laptop because that is just minging. There's loads of dirt there as well. I kind of don't want you to see that. Anyway, off track, bitch. I'm gonna put this on because I love it so much. It's Leo by Glossier. So the exciting part about today's collaboration is I also have a giveaway going on where one of you can win a pair of sneakers or trainers from Junkyard. So all you have to do is go over to my Instagram on this picture and follow Junkyard Girls. I will tag them in the photo, and all you need to do is comment a video request, follow Junkyard Girls and me obviously, and tag 3 friends in the comment as well. And I will choose the winner today when this video is uploaded, and I will contact the winner. So you can't be private, or I don't think I can contact you on Instagram. Not really sure how the rules go. Anyway, let's start with the haul. So I'm actually wearing a top from Junkyard. This isn't in this collaboration. I did this collaboration with them a while back. Also, I obviously have a coupon code, but sadly the coupon code only works if you live in Sweden and buy for over 500 krona, but my code is Rebecca15 as per usual, so defo use that. So the first thing I'm going to show you are the trainers that I picked out. I'm so sorry about my messy background. Yeah, these were the trainers I chose. I absolutely love them. These are the Air Max 97, I believe. They've got a really cool shape and they're black. I own like no black sneakers, so I thought this would be really good to have a pair of black ones, and they're just so nice and sleek. They come in loads of different colors as well. Really cool. Love these so much. I'm really excited to use those. Next thing I got, I have been using, literally, I'm not even kidding, every day since I got it, and I got it like a week ago, so it smells so good as well because of my perfume. Also smells like sweat because I've been wearing it so much. I'm so sorry, that's kind of TMI, but yeah. It is this fleece and it is in the most gorgeous purple color ever, guys. I love it so much, and it's got a zip and it's this fleecy material, which you probably can see. It is so comfortable. It's got muffs there and it's just like the comfiest, coziest sweater you will find. They have it in orange as well, I think, but I just thought this color was to die for, and it's just as comfy on the inside. I got it in an extra small. For size reference, it is quite oversized. Extra small is a good size for me. It says Urban Tears for Forest Fears. 10 out of 10. Next thing I got was a bikini top, which kind of looks like a sports bra, which is kind of cool. Like, this would be great because I'm going backpacking in March, if you didn't already know. Like, I talk about it every day, I feel like. So this would be great for like more sporty activities in the water, like going snorkeling or anything like that. And also it's just a really cute bikini top. I got it in a small though, and unfortunately it is a bit tight for me, so I should have probably sized up. I'm like a C cup, for those of you wondering, for size reference, so I should have probably got a medium, but I'm gonna give this to my little sister because it will fit her, I think. Yeah, on the back it looks like that. It's so nice. I literally went on the website to see if they had any mediums left and they didn't, but I'm gonna check again soon, and if they have a medium I'm definitely gonna order it so it will fit me because I really want this. Just a little bikini top from Nike. Next I got these trousers that I'm wearing right now. They are so comfortable and I'm so happy I got them. They are basically like leggings, Adidas leggings, but they are boot cut, so in my opinion I think they look a little bit more fashionable and like okay to wear out. I wore them today, and today I was like shopping and I was at the dentist. I literally wore this outfit like fully Adidas. Who am I? They are so comfortable, and I got them in an extra small and they actually fit so nicely. They've got a zip here. They're really high-waisted. They are a little bit long in the legs, but I am short. I'm 160 centimeters ish, but I can wear them with like some high shoes. I love them The last thing I got from Junkyard were these Calvin underwear, because they are high leg, like high rise, which I thought was really nice. Like they look really good here in the hip area, and they are just cotton, so they're really good for you and comfy. Yeah, I got them in a small and they actually look huge, but they fit really well. These are the Tanga ones, it says on them. Thank you so much to Junkyard for sending me these things, and don't forget to enter the competition. I'm choosing the winner today. Thanks for watching. Hello and good morning everyone. So today I'm going to be doing a real-time, well not real-time because I'm going to obviously edit this, but like a actual New Year's Eve get ready with me video, just because I haven't done any New Year's Eve videos yet, and I just thought this would be a fun process, like 0 to 100 of me. I'm going to show you what I do to like look my best, and what I'm going to do for New Year's Eve 2018. So I started it all yesterday by taking a shower, shaving and tanning, doing like my tanning routine. So that's why I mean you probably can't see it, but I'm tan now, so I need to take a shower and wash this off. But I actually want to colour my hair lilac again. I don't know, should I? I feel like I want to, so I'm thinking I'm gonna do that, and then while I wash that out I'll just wash my body so my tan will like rinse off nicely. But first, breakfast. It's currently 11 o'clock or 10:56 if you want me to be precise. I've already had a little bit of baguette, but I made a smoothie bowl as well. I've actually got a really bad cold, so I thought if I get some good food in me then I might be feeling a bit better later. I'm going to Martha's at about 1:30, 1ish, so I don't have that long to get ready. I need to like do my makeup and stuff here and get changed and pack my bags, so I'm gonna get going. I'm gonna start by eating this. So I'm going to start putting this in my hair now, and you're meant to put it in wet hair, but when I did that last time it didn't go so well, so I'm just going to put it in dry hair. It says to leave on for 30, so I think I'll leave it on for like an hour. I'm going to section my hair up first. Let's go. I'm going to do a time lapse, guys. So I'm just gonna finish my makeup off camera because the angle that you were seeing it from just wasn't doing it for me, and I can't find my tripod thing, so yeah. So I've done my makeup and have a shower and washed my hair out, but it doesn't look much different honestly, and I need to go like now. But this is my outfit for tonight. I've done a purple makeup because I thought my hair was going to be more purpley, but it's not. These earrings I got from Primark. I'm not 100% sure. Watch my England haul in my England vlogger. My dress is from H&M. It's like a little bit glittery, but you can't really see it. It's just a normal black bodycon because I couldn't find anything else. And I've got these tights on. Sorry, that was literally the most shit get ready with me, but it's not done because I am going to do my hair there. I'm going to straighten it so I can show you when I do that. I literally don't really do that much. Well, I did do like a full face of makeup. This is my eyeshadow look, but I don't like doing fake lashes or anything like that just because my lashes just fall off whenever I do fake lashes, so that's why I just like doing mascara. We're preparing some
snacks. This is quesadillas. Quesadillas. What do you say? Vad säger man då?
Quesadillas.
Aha. We're gonna have loads of nice snacks. It's gonna be amazing. And we've got garlic bread. It's frozen right now, but...
Oj, jag tänkte fel.
Yummy. We've got so many snacks and it's so exciting.
Yeehaw! Jokes. Hi everyone. Yeah, today it is a Saturday. I'm going to town with Amy. We're going to do some shopping and have a fika, so I just thought I'd bring you along. These trousers are from Junkyard. They are so comfy and also like cute. So they're like wearing leggings, but they've got boot cut, and I'm wearing it with this. I don't know, I might change top because I feel like it doesn't really suit. Also, I'm doing a little bit of editing, but I need to go soon, so the wire I have behind my front teeth like snapped off yesterday when I was eating a chewy sweet, and it's Saturday today, so I can't ring the dentist until Monday, so I love that for me. I'm gonna drive to town now. I'm gonna listen to some new bops that I got. Hear them, they haven't come up here. That makes me mad. I added them. I love Willow. I can see God from here. You can stay for you. Let me be. Not negative, just different. Put it back, boy, you fucking fall. Parked. That wasn't a very successful drive with me because I didn't know the lyrics to any of those songs apart from the first one. I literally added them to my playlist like 2 seconds ago, so I'm gonna text Amy now, tell her I'm here, and then we're gonna go up to town. We're gonna have a fika. Probably I'm just scared to eat anything because the wire on my back of my tooth just feels really weird. Okay, bye guys, see ya. Ta-da, it's dark now. Yay, I'm so bad at vlogging, I didn't vlog anything. Love that. Basically all we did was look in shops and had a fika, and I was gonna film the fika but I just didn't. And also it would have just been like a video of my cake that I ate. I can insert a picture. It was a brownie with Smarties and strawberries on and whipped cream, and it was actually really, really good. So sorry you didn't get to see that. It was good, and I'm gonna drive home and it's a little bit rainy. Yeah, but I really need a wee, so I'm gonna drive quick. Why am I so zoomed in? Hi everybody, it is a Sunday today. It is currently 6:30 o'clock in the evening. I've been working until 4. I was actually supposed to work till 5, but I got off 1 hour earlier, which was nice because now I've just been editing and chilling, and now I've decided I want to go to the gym, and it's a Sunday today, so the gym closes early. It closes 7:30, which is actually so early for a gym to close, I feel like, but I'm gonna make the most out of it. There's 1 hour left till it closes, so I'm going. This is my workout attire. I'm wearing these that I showed you guys. I bought them in England and Primark, and got this top from the workout section in Primark as well. I've been wearing it as like a normal top, but I thought it is actually a workout top, so I'm gonna wear it and feel like cute at the gym. I think I'm gonna do upper body today, so abs and arms and everything like that. I might do a few butt workouts as well, because I actually went to the gym and did legs and butt like 2 days ago. Okay, let's go guys. I probably won't film much if there's people there. Myself an after workout smoothie. Oh, it's a different day, by the way. I'm actually at the gym again. Shocker, it's Tuesday today. Yeah, I worked from 6 AM to like 2. I was supposed to work until 3, but I got off 1 hour earlier, which was nice. I'm vlogging on my phone right now because I'm too lazy to go up and get my camera, which is not too good, but it's snowing as well. Like, spring, can you come along? I do not need more snow. I don't know if I was in focus there, but in my smoothie I've got mango, some blueberries, some frozen strawberries, and some milk. Beautiful. I like making my smoothies quite thick, so I can make them into smoothie bowls instead. And on it I've just got some granola and some chia seeds. I actually made chia pudding this morning for the first time and it was so good.
Your love is unfair, world where you did all this and you didn't care.
So guys, I'm actually going to end this vlog here. Don't forget to enter my giveaway over on my Instagram if you are from Europe, and also use my coupon code if you live in Sweden, or if you just want to buy something from their website. I will have all the links down below to the items that I got. So yeah, from Junkyard, just reminding you. But yeah, I'm gonna end this vlog here, and thank you so much for watching to the end. You are an angel. I love you so much. Also, here are some shout outs for today's video. I love you all so much and I read every single comment, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
I'm gonna sleep on the sand when I'm fucked up. I should know how to take it. I'm gonna catch